How to get verified on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can get verified on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up a browser and in the search bar, type in channel verification YouTube. Now navigate to the first link on your interface. So first of all, go through all of this information here and make sure that you have an eligible channel in order to apply for the verification. If you are not eligible for the verification process, then you cannot have a verified YouTube channel. But before that, make sure in your Google you are logged in with the same account as your YouTube channel. After that, if you scroll through it, for the channel verification, you can submit a request for a channel verification once you have 100,000 subscribers. And here it says it looks like your channel is not eligible yet. So since my channel is not eligible, but if you have the channel that meets all of this required criteria under this section, you will have an option to apply for the channel verification. And if you scroll through it, here you will have further information about the verified channel and verified channel eligibility. You must have 100,000 subscribers and make sure that you're authentic and you're complete. And here are further information. So if your channel is eligible enough to apply for the verification, under this apply for channel verification, there you will find a link as apply for channel verification. Click on it and that's gonna take you to a different page where you'll be asked to enter your channel name and your channel ID. Once you have added your name and ID, then you have to click on OK or request. And once you have sent the channel verification request, they will review your account, and if your channel is good enough to verify, they will approve your request. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.